damn phone ring. It's simply pathetic if I call you anymore, but I can't figure it now. We tallied our scores, I got knocked out. I know when you come to town, I know where you drop your dime and whom it's for, but I'm not good enough to share your cup of coffee. 15 years was long enough. I'm an old colleague, another Hard Knocks Day acquaintance. Finally you are free of me, it must be true or you'd give a minute. But it's always my fault, always it's your forgiveness. This unbalanced resolve, I must be hateful. So I hang up the phone, call it a small sacrifice. You still hear me now. Dear you, the final it was blue. Stuck in poor Blake, commiserating drunks at sea. Do you remember when Jawbreaker rocked the boat? I'm sure you do and don't. Look at me, I'm an old fly but another blue coach class acquaintance. Finally you are free of me, it must be true cause it only makes sense. But I can still see you now, the pictures are in every town. I will still write this down, I must be